Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a viral scary story video using AI. This is part 1 where we will generate the story, the image and even the narrations using Google Gemini. First, just open your browser and then just open your Google Gemini and then just log in with your Google account. And once you're inside, just go to menu and then just choose Gem Storybooks. This one, just tap on it. And now here's the fun part. We need to write a prompt for our scary story. For example, you can type a prompt like this. For example like this, and then just tap on generate. Okay, like this. Gemini instantly create a full story uh with images and narrations like this. It's pretty cool, right? Next, let's download the image one by one. This will be the visual for our scary video. Just tap on the image and then download image like this. Just make sure you are download all the image like this. Next, for the narrations or voiceover, just tap on listen, this one. But first, just turn on screen recording on your phone before pressing listen, so the voiceover will get recorded automatically. And then if you want to change the voice style, just tap on the little downward arrow next to listen, this one, and then choose either a high pitched voice or lower pitched voice, depending on the mode that you want. And okay, that's it for part 1. We now have all the images and audio ready. And in part 2, I will show you exactly how to edit them together in CapCut to turn this into a complete scary story video. So don't forget to check out the next part. See you on the part 2.